The trailer does have AC, or that is alternating current horsepower, and it is being provided by that extension cord on the ground. It comes up in coils right there, and then it goes inside and up through the truck here, so that you can see what the connection is. I'm using an inverter here, which inverts the power from this 750 watts, and it's connected to the battery here. This is an auxiliary battery that was put in here back when I used to have a camper, because that's the main battery over there, and this battery here is the one that provides the power for the trailer. It is enough power that we've been able to set up a little TV set, watch movies, and a variety of other things on horsepower current while we're camped here in the middle of nowhere. As I was telling you about that battery over there, this here is the main battery for the truck, and connected here is a switch that I use for the purpose of disconnecting that auxiliary battery. When that's down like this and the truck is running, it charges that battery over there. But when I pull this switch up, then that battery over there is not connected in the system anymore, and it is by itself. So if that battery goes dead, then this battery stays good. I can start the truck and leave and recharge that battery up. Another thing that is needed in the circuitry for these batteries is this multi-battery isolator that makes it possible for the batteries to have different charges on them and yet still charge up together.